Hey everybody. So we built a bunch of demos showing how you can build AI integration and AI interactions in Storyline, Rise, Domino, so many different options. But I want to show you this time how we build this interaction purely in HTML. This is just an HTML file that you can upload to your LMS, your website, anywhere, and it would work beautifully. So this is a role play about conflict resolution. And the situation, the idea here is that we have a toxic but brilliant employee, right? Who is late to meetings and rude to fellow teammates. And so no matter how good or expert his work is, as a manager, it is my role to, address this situation, manage his behavior. So, and well, by the way, he called out a small error by Rose rather unprofessionally and brought her to tears. So, we really need to have a conversation. So, I'm going to start a conversation. And now, as a manager, instead of choosing multiple choice questions, which would never actually prepare me for a high conflict event like this, I have to think and respond, right? So, I have to actually sort of consider what to do. So maybe I open the conversation by saying, hey, yes, we need to talk. Your behavior at that meeting was not correct. I need you to reflect on the impact that had on the team. And hopefully, Timo thinks about it. Okay, so clearly he is actually toxic. And he says, Rose can't handle any constructive criticism. She's in the wrong field. Okay, we got to push back. So I'm going to say it's not about what Rose should be doing, but what you should be. You should have been more empathetic. People make mistakes, right? So let's send that. Let's have like a, sort of a proper sort of discussion. Um, Okay, so he's saying that he doesn't want mistakes to go into production. Well, that is fair, but we can also do plain red retros, right? Because, or, yes. Okay, that is fair, but we can do blameless retros, and people can learn from their mistakes. Let's see what he kind of talks says that. How will they handle real pressure? Our main focus should be on quality software. Oh my god, this guy is like really difficult. I'm at the end of my patience. I don't know about you. Let's send him to a training. I'm gonna say, you take the soft skills training that I signed you up for. Uh, delivering formidable code. Okay. This guy is not humble for sure. Let's not waste more time on these sidelines. Okay. So well, now I am like at my wit's end. I'm gonna say, "Girls, I know what I must focus on. Don't teach me my just." Okay, so clearly that didn't go very well. And after this conversation goes on, I programmed it so it goes on for 5 turns, which can be, of course, changed. You can continue beyond that or set it to wrap up, before or after. Anyways, in this case, we've used all our 5 turns and it's time to get feedback. I'm actually not sure, very hopeful here. So the AI now takes, instead of being demo, it becomes a coach and reviews our performance, gives us a numerical rating here. We get what worked, what to improve, and also a really specific sort of tidbit on what to do. Okay, so we can try again if we want, and again, and really hone our skill. So once again, this was built using AI Ready in a purely HTML file, and could be used anywhere in HTML. A file would sit like directly in your LMS. Hope you enjoyed it.